Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
You're welcome to another episode of the Photowalk series where I ride my bike, and in this episode my buddies and I decided to ride our bicycles and tackle a 100-kilometer distance from San Pablo, Laguna to Laiya, Batangas and back. And to show proof to our wives that we did actually rode our bikes, I brought my camera to document everything. This is the Canon Autoboy Lite, a 35mm compact point-and-shoot camera with an aperture of f3.5 loaded with a Kodak Ultramax. Let's get into it. So I'm back at home and this is the day after the ride. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to finish the roll on my camera during the cycling trip. As you saw in the video, things started to get really pretty dark and we're also pretty damn tired. We decided to let the regret sink in and just pedal until we reach back home. I did finish the roll the morning after the ride. Here's a photo of my son showing how fast he is growing, which reminds me, I think we need to start funding for his education.